Video, I'm going to walk you through a full 30-day roadmap of everything we're doing for a seven-figure brand who's new to Klaviyo. So this video is going to be great for you if you are either one, new to Klaviyo and email marketing, or two, not seeing the results you want from Klaviyo. So this is a seven-figure brand who's just come on with us today, and as you can see, doing great revenue, but they're getting absolutely nothing from email. So in the video, like I said, I'm going to walk you through everything we're doing from day 1 to 30, every flow we're going to set up, all the tests we're going to do, all the campaigns we're going to send. And if you wait until the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you the exact emails that are going into flows. So it's going to be about 50 emails across 10 flows. So make sure to stay until the end if that's something you're interested in. So straight away got into this brand, and over the last 30 days, they've only got 2 flows live. Each flow only has 1 email live, and they've sent no campaigns. So a huge amount of revenue is being left on the table. What we're doing today on day 0 is getting the pop-up going. Obviously, this is a super low leverage task, but it's going to give you a massive return on investment. Obviously, having a big email list is going to be crucial for the long-term success of your emails. Having more leads, new leads, just allows you to engage, nurture, and convert more customers. It's also going to allow you to have a bigger list, which is also going to be a more segmented list, which is just going to allow you to deliver highly targeted, personalized content. Also, because this is a US brand, we're going to look into getting them set up on retention.com. It's an absolutely great tool for building your email list. If you don't use it, I'd highly recommend looking into them. I don't have any referral codes or anything, but if you are partnered with our agency, we do get agency pricing. So if that's of interest to you, I might be able to make you an intro if we're working together. Anyway, on to the important stuff. Day 1 to 7 of what we're actually going to now implement into the account to start giving this account some results. So what we're going to do is we are going to work on the core flows right away, and we just want to get 1 to 2 emails in each of these flows so that we can start to drip feed content to people. This is going to help us get deliverability going better, but it's also going to hopefully have us seeing some really nice conversions. So those flows we're going to work on in the first 7 days are going to be the welcome flow, abandoned cart, abandoned checkout, browse abandonment, site abandonment, and post purchase. We're also going to send 2 to 3 emails this week. They're likely going to be plain text emails. It's going to be to engage profiles and previous buyers. Again, this is going to be to allow us to work on deliverability, kind of see where the account is, and let us know what we need to work on going forward. Objective, obviously, this is going to have us see us sending emails periodically. That's going to be with the flows, and then also just to engage customers with the campaigns. Goal here is just 50% open rate and 1% click-through rate. Anything more than that, I'll be pretty happy and know that deliverability is in a good place. What we're going to do then between days 7 and 21 is set up the the remaining of what's going to go in all these flows. So whether that's 5, 6, 7, 8 emails in these core flows, and then also building in these advanced flows, which is going to be our post-purchase repeat buyers, our VIP, our win back, our replenishment, and our sunset. We're also going to regularly start sending more campaigns. We're also going to test some design campaigns now, see how they do, and expand the segments we're sending to, hopefully. So we'll likely start with a 30-day engage, but we're going to want to move this up to 60 and 90 as fast as possible. Obviously, it's going to allow us to speak to more customers and get more conversions. Again, if you're not making the most out of your Klaviyo right now in your email marketing efforts, these are just some screenshots of results and examples of what you can expect when you actually get this working in the right direction. Increase average order value, increase revenue per recipient, everything that really matters. And campaigns can be really, really effective once you get sending them. This is a smaller account, just really nice, consistent 1 to 2K per campaign, and then a bigger account, 20K off a single email, which is absolutely crazy. So the objective in this 7 to 21 day period is just have all the customer journeys built live and have a consistent flow of campaigns going out. Again, this is just going to help with deliverability and revenue for the store in total. Days 21 through 30, once we've built that consistency, what we really want to do here is just keep consistent, keep testing, and make sure we're staying on top of everything. So, following these few simple steps, but doing them right and doing them to the best of your ability is easily going to see you get 25 to 40% of your revenue coming in from Klaviyo, which is just crazy. It's not the most amount of work, but it does take work if you want to do it right and you want to do it consistently. So what we're going to want to do here is just stay consistent with those campaigns, be testing our pop-up, testing our core flows, try new campaign ideas, and just enjoy the results. There's nothing crazy or special you need to do, but just be consistent. That's probably the hardest part. And like I said, it's going to see you to get 25 to 40% of your revenue coming in from emails every single month. Here's a client we've been working with for over a year based out in the UK, 39.77%. Of a store, you know, £225,000, so just shy of maybe $300K, so really, really good. This is now going to quickly run you through what you can put in all of these flows. If you're a complete beginner and you don't know, again, this is very surface level. You know, you're going to want to go and make these more detailed to your own brand if you do want to implement these. But for a welcome flow, you're going to do something like a welcome plus discount, reviews, bestsellers, meet the founder, shipping info, reminder of discount, last chance, and previous winning campaigns. So you can put these in at the end of your flows just to drip feed those campaigns to people who haven't bought, or if you even do want to leave them going out to buyers regardless, that's completely up to yourself. Abandoned cart and checkout flows, reclaim lost sales. You know, these are going to be your highest intent customers who are nearly there, so you just want to hit them with a reminder. Depending on the kind of brand you are, you know, if you're a clothing brand, you might want to hit them with a size guide. If you're a supplement brand, you might want to send it before and after. You know, makeup brand, similar. Just want to get them message to. Anyway, like I said, with a reminder. One of these, that's obviously a bit more important to the brand. Reviews, hit them with a reminder again. Plain text from the founder. Flash sale discount, flash sale expiring. Browse abandonment, same kind of thing here. High intent customers, you just want to do everything you can to convert them. I'm not going to walk you through every email here. This Gamma doc is going to be in the description of the video if you do want it, so please feel free to take it, or you can just pause this here as I'm going through them, but you don't need me to walk you through absolutely everything. Again, site abandonment, just get them back on the site. Post purchase, just build that relationship to get that LTV. Post purchase repeat buyers, again, super high intent now because they have bought from you twice. Really good chance to get a high LTV out of these customers and just bring that up for the brand overall. Allows you to bring up that CAC a little bit. I want to intro them to the VIP list here as well. VIP list is your most important customer base, just what you want to do to look after them. Also going to want to use that segment for campaigns for anything going forward, like new drops, sales, back in stocks. Really, really important to look after those guys. Win back flow, people who bought from you but they haven't bought again in 60 to 90 days. Just want to see if we can get them back in that ecosystem. 5 emails you want to put in there. Replenishment flow, this is more tailored, I guess, towards supplements, health, beauty. You want to hit these guys up in 30 to 45 days whilst they're still using the product, potentially running low, potentially push some subscriptions. Again, you are going to want to tailor these for your own brands. This is just kind of a bare bones skeleton of what you could use for you. And then your sunset flow, that's just going to be to clean your list. And then campaign ideas, here's just 12 campaigns you can use that are always really, really good. So reviews, back in stock, product launches, bestsellers, product education, us versus them, before and after promotional, message from the founder, subscription benefits, FAQs, and you can repurpose some blog content there as well. So if this video has been helpful for you, please do think of subscribing, turn on the notification bell. I'm going to drop as much content and value as I can. Also, if you do need help with your email marketing efforts, please feel free to book a call. It's just a 50-minute discovery call. You won't be pitched to on the call. I just want to see what you've tried, where you are, where you kind of want to go. If it looks like a good fit, I'll get you to add me to your Klaviyo account. I'll complete a full audit of the account. If I think we can help you get where you want to go, I will make you an offer. I'll put in a guarantee. It's going to be specific to you. I don't do a guarantee. I will add you 10% or 50% or 100K or 200K. Obviously, everyone and every brand is so different. So making a blatant claim and guarantee like that, I just don't think it works. So yeah, if you're interested, you know what to do. Get in touch. If not, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.